This is Mill Creek, where it crosses Green Lane, and there's a whole bunch of eastern bluebirds or purple martins zooming around here, which is pretty cool. And it's all, there's one, it's all, there's like 10 of them. It's all native, and there's water discharge that comes out of this thing. Broke a dike here where all this living trees are here, and then there's a ghost forest over here because the hydrology changed. It's just loud as anything. So this is the ghost forest over here, and it goes all the way back there. We planted a couple river birch back in the ghost forest to see if it would take. Planted a couple along the dike here. There's beavers that eat these old growth trees. A bunch of knotweed here, like everywhere else around here. And it's impossible to get rid of. But I felt like taking a video because of the either eastern bluebirds or purple martins. There's a couple purple martin nests that they put up over in Silver Lake, and then there's been a initiative to repopulate the area with eastern bluebirds by putting bluebird boxes in like Neshaminy State Park, and but you can see that it makes a difference. Like, look at all these guys. Cool. Beautiful. But Master Watershed Stewards, we put like 100 live stakes along this bank, and a riverbird somewhere back in there. This is down the street from the Truman Project along the county corridor. But it really is a nice wildlife area. There's a whole bunch of deer frequent down here. It does look kind of loud.